Welcome back to Sawyer Ridge Farm. I'm Jacob. Today's going to be a little bit of a different video. As you can see right here, we got a nice campfire. We're going to be cooking some food here in a little bit. But as y'all know, we do have a friend that y'all might know, and he needed some help. And he was tired of eating cold food, and so we're coming over here. We're going to cook a little bit. We brought some of our homegrown pork chops, and we do have a couple hot dogs and stuff we're going to cook up. We wanted to give this guy a decent meal.
I'm waiting for it to be cooked. What are you doing?
Trying to get it done.
Well, let's get it done, because you got some building to do.
Yeah, he's you know Jason. He's gotta be the center of attention.
Yeah, so this guy needs to hurry up and cook me some food and then get building, because I have a nap to take. So you're kind of ruining my nap time right now.
Yeah.
So as you can tell, he's a little feisty right now.
I'm angry.
Yeah,
I'm hangry.
So we're gonna get this cooking up real quick, and then we're gonna try to get on this house build and see what we can get done today. All right, so we got done eating. It was real good, but we're gonna get on this house build because we're trying to get this thing done. Jason wants to get in this house pretty quick. So what we're going to be trying to focus on right now is we're going to start putting up the rafters and the trusses and stuff like that. Just to let y'all know, I don't know what I'm doing. Jason doesn't know what he's doing. So we are just... What's that?
Speak for yourself. He said speak for yourself. He knows what he's doing.
He says he knows what he's doing, but off camera he says he doesn't know what he's doing. But he knows what he's doing. I mean, you can tell right now he's gotten this far.
Yeah.
Okay, he definitely knows a lot more than I do. I'm just here. He's the foreman. He's going to tell me what he wants done because this is his house. And but we're just going to get to it, and we're going to see how much we can get on. We don't know if we have enough lumber, but we'll see. But we're pretty excited to come out here, help him out, get this thing dried in as quick as possible, because it can get pretty hot here in Oklahoma, and you definitely don't want to be out in the elements in a tent with all the snakes and bugs. So we're going to try to work as fast as we can.
It seemed like it brought it together better.
All right, so we're putting up some of these boards, and Jason's kind of a smaller guy. He said, hey, get up on that ladder. I'm like, I don't really need a ladder because I can literally just come up here and just stick it up there for him. See, just like that.
And here I was climbing this big old ladder just to get to the top.
You don't always need a ladder if you're taller, but Jason, he needs a ladder. But we're going to keep working, getting this thing done.
You're kind of like the friend that has a truck.
Kind of, yeah.
You're useful only sometimes. Huh? Oh, you need a ladder?
No. you try. There we go. Gosh, this is tall. There we go. Woo, 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 boy.
You good?
Yeah, that was a little something right there.
All right, I'm gonna try to move a little bit. I don't know why that is weird. I think it's because you jerk your head back.
I know, right?
All right, y'all. So we were doing some busy work, and we kind of forgot we didn't do an ending to the video. As you can tell, it's pretty dark out here. We gotta have flashlights, and we just kind of want to show you exactly the end product for today. And you can see we got one whole side of the roof done, and Jason is pretty happy about it.
Yeah, that's an understatement.
Yeah, he's like a little kid in a candy store right now.
How do you feel about this?
Amazing. This is a long time. There's no way I could have done this by myself. Absolutely no. Maybe.
The middle beam
it
would
would
have been
a nightmare.
Yeah,
like
that would have been more
absolute
stress than you probably would have
nightmare.
wanted.
Yeah, and so this is huge to me. I mean, huge to have this up. Like, not even just in my mind. Looking at it, it's huge. It's way bigger than I thought. Like, it is tall. Because you're, what, 8'9", and
roughly, maybe an inch less.
Yeah, and it's, you probably couldn't jump and touch that, could you?
I would be a little less.
Yeah.
I don't think I could jump and touch it.
So for a tiny house, it's a pretty big.
It's definitely it's
pretty
good
big ceiling,
size.
yeah.
Having those ceilings definitely help with the square footage.
Yeah.
But guys, we got all the walls permanently put in. We got everything connected, and we got this half of the roof done. And it didn't take us too long.
No.
But we did, we worked through the night. It's just now coming night. And we're just going to wrap it up for the day. And we're definitely going to be coming back out here and helping them out. later down the line. So you'll probably be seeing a lot more Jason in the future, and he'll be coming over to our house. And so it's just going to be a back and forth ordeal, just helping each other out on each other's farms and properties. But guys, if you like this video, hit the like button. You got questions, put them down in the comments. That's what they're there for. And if you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. And if for whatever reason you're not subscribed to Jason, it's the Crockers, and he's out here off grid in a tent. You probably know him already, but go subscribe to him. And y'all take care and God bless.
Yes, and thank you to the Sawyers for helping me. This was huge. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate it.
Hey, you're welcome.
Hey,
you call, we haul.
there you go. I got a lot of junk you can take. So.
Y'all take care.